quick guide for activating eSIM. Convert your Jio Physical SIM to eSIM or transfer Jio eSIM from one device to another device. Step 1. Jio eSIM can be downloaded only on a compatible smartphone. Check whether your smartphone is compatible with Jio eSIM by typing eSIM handset in search window on www.jio.com. Step 2. Send SMS get eSIM space 32-digit EID space 15-digit IMEI to 199 from your device having active Jio SIM. Please refer upcoming steps on how to get details of EID and IMEI. If you are using an iOS device, tap Settings. Then tap on General and select About. Here you will get information on EID and IMEI. For Samsung, tap Settings. Then tap on About Phone and select Status to get information on EID and IMEI. If you are using Motorola handset, go to Settings, then tap on About Phone to get information about EID and IMEI. For Google handset, go to Settings, then tap on About Phone and select SIM status to get information about EID and IMEI. Step 3. Once you have shared the details of IMEI and EID on 199, you will receive the 19-digit eSIM number and eSIM profile configuration details. Do not delete this message as it contains the activation code which is required to complete the eSIM configuration process on your handset. After receiving this message, type SIMCHG space 19 digits eSIM number and send to 199. Step 4. An update on eSIM processing will be shared with you after 2 hours. Once you have received the message, share your confirmation by sending 1 to 183 as SMS. Step 5. After sharing confirmation on SMS, you will receive an automated call on your Jio number requesting to share the 19-digit eSIM number. Keep your 19-digit eSIM number handy for this step. Once you have shared the correct eSIM number, confirmation of successful activation of services on your new eSIM will be shared through SMS. At this stage, your existing SIM will stop working and you need to configure your eSIM to use the services. Please note, if all the steps mentioned above are not completed within 6 days, your request will get auto-cancelled on the 7th day. In order to activate eSIM, you can initiate a fresh request again. Your request will not be initiated if incorrect details are shared. You are just one step away to activate your eSIM. To complete the activation process, eSIM profile needs to be configured on your smartphone. Please note, the images shown here are for illustrative purpose and may change with updates in the software. Please refer the SMS sent to you with activation code and ensure that your phone is connected to internet Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot during this process. For iOS, you can now open the notification received to complete data plan installation, or else tap on Settings. Select Mobile Data and tap on Add Data Plan. Select the reserved Jio data plan that will reflect on your screen. Select Add Data Plan to confirm the new mobile plan addition. Select a data plan addition in progress. Then select Continue to confirm the new mobile plan addition. Jio eSIM gets successfully activated and will reflect in mobile data. Please make sure that you do not select Remove Data Plan option from settings, as this will permanently delete the eSIM profile from your iPhone. For Samsung phone, tap on Settings, select Connections, select SIM Card Manager and tap on Add Mobile Plan. Now select Scan Carrier QR Code. To enter activation code manually, tap on Enter Code instead. Enter the activation code received via SMS. In the activation code column, enter in this format: LPA:1$SMDPRD.geo.com $activation code. Enter the 32-digit activation code received via SMS and tap on Connect. Plan addition is in process. After plan addition process is completed, Jio eSIM gets successfully activated and is reflected in SIM Card Manager. Note: if If you are having SIM card inserted in SIM 1 and SIM 2 both the slots, then SIM 2 will be turned off to enable SIM 1. For Google and Motorola Next Gen Razr 5G phone, tap on Settings, select Network and Internet, select Mobile Network and then tap on Download a SIM instead and select Next. To enter activation code manually, tap on Need Help and enter it manually. In the activation code column, enter in this format: LPA:1 $SMDPRD.geo.com $activation code. Enter the 32-digit activation code received via SMS. After entering the code, select Activate. Once activation is done, select Done. Jio eSIM gets successfully activated and is reflected under Mobile Network. Congratulations! Your Jio eSIM services are successfully configured on your smartphone. Please remember, do not select Delete option from the eSIM settings, as this will permanently delete the eSIM profile. If you have unknowingly removed it, then please visit your nearest Jio store, Reliance Digital, with your proof of identity and photograph to get the eSIM profile configured again on your handset. To locate your nearest Jio store, log into My Jio app.